The 2025 Holden HK 1968 in Grecian White is more than just a car. It is a statement of timeless Australian engineering reimagined for today's streets, a blend of old-school muscle and modern performance that captures attention from every angle. At first glance, the Grecian White finish radiates purity and class, a color that highlights every subtle curve of the bodywork, bringing out the bold lines and strong stance that defined the HK when it first appeared in the late 60s. The proportions remain authentic to the original design, but the updates for 2025 have refined it with sleeker aerodynamics, sharper detailing around the grille, and a more sculpted profile that maintains vintage character while giving it a cleaner, performance-driven presence. Up front, the iconic dual headlamp setup returns, but now upgraded with modern LED technology that throws a powerful beam with crisp clarity, framed inside chrome bezels that pay tribute to the original. The grille is bold and wide, with horizontal slats that command presence, perfectly centered with the Holden badge that shines with heritage pride. The chrome bumpers gleam under light, polished to mirror finish, adding a nostalgic flair that complements the white paint. Moving to the side profile, the Grecian White body reflects light like a rolling piece of art, highlighting the balance between muscular arches and smooth door panels. The wheels are upgraded alloys, a modern interpretation of the classic 5-spoke design, wrapped in performance rubber that not only enhances grip but adds a sporty touch to the visual character. Subtle badging on the fenders reminds enthusiasts of its HK roots, a small but powerful nod to history. The roofline remains straight and clean, giving the car its classic sedan form while updated glass and seals deliver a refined finish. At the rear, the tail lamps maintain their squared-off retro design but are now powered with LED arrays that glow with intensity. The chrome bumper and twin exhaust outlets hint at the power waiting under the hood, while the trunk lid remains simple and uncluttered, exuding understated confidence. Inside, the cabin merges the vintage driving feel with the comfort expected in 2025. Sliding into the driver's seat reveals premium leather finished in black with white stitching, a perfect contrast to the Grecian White body. The dashboard retains its symmetrical layout, but every dial and switch has been modernized with digital precision while maintaining the analog aesthetic that purists admire. A retro-inspired steering wheel features chrome accents and leather grip, while behind it a digital cluster displays speed, revs, and navigation in crisp clarity. The center console carries a modern infotainment system with touchscreen control, yet designed with chrome bezels and rotary knobs to keep the vintage vibe alive. Air conditioning vents are circular, styled with polished trim, and the cabin is filled with premium soft-touch materials that blend heritage with modern luxury. Performance is where the 2025 Holden HK 1968 shows how far it has evolved. Under the hood lies a re-engineered V8 powerplant, delivering raw muscle with modern efficiency. Tuned for both city cruising and highway bursts, this engine roars with authority yet remains smooth under acceleration. The transmission is automatic with manual shift modes, giving the driver the freedom to enjoy classic cruising or aggressive driving when desired. Suspension upgrades provide tighter handling while maintaining a comfortable ride, allowing the HK to glide over long distances with ease. Braking has been modernized with disc brakes all around, ABS, and stability controls, ensuring safety is on par with modern performance cars. On the road, the Holden HK in Grecian White becomes a head-turner everywhere it rolls. The combination of shining white paint, chrome accents, and muscular stance makes it impossible to ignore, and its exhaust note sings the song of classic Australian muscle redefined. It carries history in its DNA yet proves it can stand tall against contemporary competitors. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who values cars with soul, the 2025 Holden HK is a rolling piece of nostalgia powered by modern innovation. It is not just a restoration, it is a rebirth of one of Holden's finest, crafted to meet the expectations of today's drivers without losing its 60s charm. Whether parked in a showroom or cruising down the highway, it captures that rare essence of automotive perfection, where past and present meet in flawless balance.